Welcome back to my channel, friends. I am about to do a little harvest. The garden is popping. It's popping, so I'm about to harvest some of my tomatoes that are right before the rain comes and crack them. So come with me. Okay, y'all see it? Don't act like y'all don't see it. Y'all see that? Y'all see it. So I'm gonna put this camera down here. To harvesting. Some of these are still green. I'm taking a whole. Pruning in the process. I don't want to take all of these off. I think I'm gonna have to just take some of these that are white. So I don't know what's going on with my peppers because they're supposed to be turning colors, but they're not. Okay, so I'm gonna get some of these over here as well. Really have to cut these, but just those are starting to blush. I'm not gonna take those. Yeah, not all of these are. And then I also have some jalapenos ready. Way to plant out. Here we go. So I have some more jalapenos over here. It's ready to be harvested. Now you know when it's time to harvest. They too sleepy. Just lift up on it. Come right off. Three more. I'm gonna get some basil. I got basil and weeds going at the same. It's like I'm waiting for these peppers to turn, but they're not turning yet. These are the gypsy peppers from House Tools. I'm waiting for them to turn their colors. But it's weighing my plant is heavy. It's being weighed down. It's supposed to be the gypsy peppers from House Tools. It's not banana peppers. I didn't know what I planted, and I went back and looked at. Take some off of this because this plant, they haven't turned. I'm gonna leave a few right here to see if they're gonna turn. It's just the plant is weighed down. I'm gonna just view off the bottom. I'm gonna leave that one. Just a few. I think this is the sun gold. That's a tomato. Let's just look around and take it in. So these are the orangine okra. So this one is getting some okra on it. My other okra, orangine. And then there's the motherland okra over there next to the sweet potato vines. Finally, zinnias are popping up and they're in bloom. Oh my goodness. Look at there. I have, gosh, I didn't even see this here. Patty pan squash. What an unexpected surprise. More zinnias. Callaloo that's coming back. Callaloo here. I planted out my hibiscus and my Lego spinach. More callaloo there. Callaloo popping up everywhere. More Lego spinach. Those peppers that was looking bad, I fertilized those, gave those some worm castings and fish emulsion, and those are coming back. More orangine. That's Egyptian spinach there. Marigold. That's just a weed over there. And then that was the other pepper that was struggling, which I just gave that some fish emulsion and some worm castings, and it came back to life. Collard greens are still going strong. Yeah. More zinnias that's gonna open up. That's the CISO spinach there. Another collard greens. And my Cuban oregano there, rosemary. Another Cuban oregano in the corner. And then the Seminole pumpkins that are started from seed. They're starting to take off there and there. Now, I did give the green stalk some love. I gave it some fish emulsion, and it started putting out more strawberries. And it's even sending out runners. Now, I think I saw somewhere where I can actually take these runners, and you see here how it's putting off a root. I've seen where I can take those runners and start a new plant. So if I can, please let me know. Something's eating my basil right here. I don't know what's eating my basil, but I'm a little upset because that's my lime basil and I like the way it smells. More lime basil right here. It's either lime or lemon. This is I think this is Genovese basil. This is one of my basils. I'm not sure which one it is. More strawberries. Weeds coming through. More strawberries. I transplanted some Ethiopian kale here. This is Ethiopian kale. This is Ethiopian spinach. More Ethiopian kale. Nasturtium. Some ripe strawberries in there. Listen, if you guys are not green stalk, you don't have a green stalk, this thing is amazing. Oh, look at the time. That's limit time at the bottom from a start that I got from either Lowe's or Home Depot. I can't remember. Listen, if y'all don't have a green stalk, get into it. Last year, I had a pepper plant, but because I was unable to garden for a back injury, it really didn't do too much. It was mainly my garden was neglected because of back injury. But listen, I have marigolds in here. I have Egyptian spinach and kale, thyme, flowers. Get into it. Y'all see it, friends. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Yes, just stand back and look. Oh, you can even see, like, I'm on my lunch break doing this video, so it's hot, so I'm in the shade. You can see where I mulched around a lot of my trees. Oh, yes. Let me show you. Lemongrass still doing its thing. I've been loving every minute of that. So this, if you go back to my first video that I ever posted, this was the pigeon pea. Look at it. I'm 5'8", so this thing has got to be like maybe 4 feet, 5 feet. This is another pigeon pea I planted here. I put another one in the ground just because trees are doing it. The orange tree is still holding on to its fruits, so hopefully. This is still the papaya tree. I need to put the other one in the ground, but this is another pigeon pea here. Mangoes, I thinned those out, fertilized those, hopefully. And then another pigeon pea there. And you see those sticks sticking out the ground? Those are Mexican sunflowers. I stuck those. Oh! Okay, it's getting some greenish on it. Y'all see it? Right here. It's finally putting some green. Okay. Well, listen. Okay, so that's gonna be about it. I'm hot, I'm sweaty. I'm going in the house. It's my lunch break. I just came out here and I saw some stuff this morning. But I had a surprise and didn't even know I had another patty pan squash. Let me just do a once over check again to see. Nothing else. And this is crazy. I left this plant alone because it had worms on it, or what I thought was worms. So I thought I was going to be pulling this plant out. Yeah, no worms. Huh, what do you know? This is going for dinner tonight. So this is my final first harvest, which is not a big one, but it's big for me because I have not gardened in over a year. Like, seriously garden. I had collard greens, but it wasn't. Oh wait, see something else shining at me, nice and red and pretty. Listen, it is hot. 2 Barbados cherries that I have for a snack. I think I have some strawberries. I keep going to this green stalk, and I promise I'm trying to go back in the house. I'm in Florida, Central Florida, and it's hot as fish grease out here. So let's see. No, just see. I have a snack. Listen, this green stalk, I promise, is my favorite because I can grow strawberries, and I've tried from bare root, but these are plants that I got from strawberry plants that I purchased from Ison's last fall. So yes, the whole garden center. See, and they're not as big as they were in like February and March because they're kind of done for the day. Okay, So this was our first garden harvest, and I'm so excited. I'm excited. I'm glad. I'm happy. So hopefully you guys will continue to watch, see what else I have going on. I'm going to be transplanting some more stuff out. I have more peppers that I started from seed in May that are going to be transplanted out when the squash bed is done. Eggplant is coming out soon. Then I'll be starting my fall seeds for my onions and tomatoes. I have been unsuccessful growing onions from seed before, but I ordered some onion seeds from Haas too, so hopefully they're hybrid, so they'll do a little bit better in my area, which is so hot. But all right, thank you, friends. See you next time. Bye. Oh wait.